Good morning, everyone. This is my 10th day looking for my mom and dad. I can't seem to find them anywhere.
I stayed at the spot where we got separated for 2 days, but no one came.
Good morning, everyone. Day 10 out here, still searching for my parents. Last night I crashed right over there. Not the best sleep. Something felt off. Safer if I keep moving.
Right now feels safe, but nighttime, whole different story. Creepy crawlies, shadows moving. I hate it.
That's why I keep moving.
I woke up and peed like 5 times. Must be from all that water I had yesterday. There's 2 of those, I almost pee myself.
I am about to start my search. First thing first, safety.
First thing, stay away from humans. If they see me, I might never see my parents again.
Second thing, always hide my tracks. If I don't, someone could follow me.
I checked several locations I thought they would be, but no luck. I'm following the tracks now, and I hope it leads me to them.
I will keep heading north. Wish me luck, guys.
Man, I need breakfast. Thinking rabbit. Sweet, zesty taste fills you up nice.
But chasing one took me all day last time. Not trying to repeat that nightmare. Gonna sharpen this stick into a spear. Too risky to get close, the rabbit will spook and escape. This way, I can keep my distance.
Long, smooth strokes. Even pressure, that's how you get a sharp point. Dad always said, keep the edge razor sharp.
Sharp stick, easier hunt. Dull stick, you going home hungry.
Rule 1, always scrape away from yourself. Spears for the rabbit, not for me.
If I ever catch a rabbit, I'll need a fire. Today I'm gonna try to make one, like the humans do. This might take a while.
All right, time to track a rabbit. He can't hide forever, not from me.
Shh, something's moving in the bushes. Looks like Rabbit, and he has no idea I'm here.
Patience. I gotta wait for the perfect moment. One move too soon, and he's gone. Ah! Ah!
Pretty good hunting today. Not bad for a little Bigfoot, right? Dad would say, dinner secured.
Gonna skin this rabbit and get it ready for some serious seasoning. Bush kitchen style. This one's gonna taste fire. There we go, tiny spark. Big blaze. Feed it slow. That's how you build a real cooking fire.
That's it. Little spark, big fire. Feed it slow. Patience builds the blaze.
Skin this one almost easy. Guess I am getting better at it. Bush chef in training. Watch out, world.
All right, time for the best part. Season it up. Dad always said, flavor makes the meal.
Out here, you gotta use what the forest gives you.
Low and slow, that's the secret. Don't rush the fire. Patience makes the rabbit taste perfect.
That's bush cooking. Low and slow, juice, smoke, perfect. And cooked by me. Not a bad way to start the morning.
All right, Dad, feeling good? Got rest, had a solid meal. Now it's time to get back on the mission. Heading north, that's where I'll find them. Parents, here I come.
Look who I caught stealing my breakfast berries. What do you think I should do with him?
Some creatures are slow, too easy to catch. This little guy didn't even put up a fight.
He's kind of cute, though. I'm not gonna eat him. Lucky my dad's not here. He loves opossum meat. You'd be a goner.